afternoon, Bicolandia. Nagbabalik tayo dito sa ating laro, Oragon Basketball League Season 2 WBN Sofia Gold Chance BTS Cup. Makakasama niyo po ulit ako, Rick Puerta, and beside me is Kyla Casulia to give you all guys an update sa mangyayari all throughout this matches. So our first match, it's between the USA Falcons versus the UNC Greyhounds. Both teams are still seeking for another win because napakaganda ng kanilang standing. So dito natin malalaman kung sino ang makakakuha pa ng isang panalo at sino ang makakakuha ng another talo dito sa dalawang kapunan. So yan ang aabangan natin all throughout this match.
Yes, Rick, absolutely correct. And of course, both team are really prepared for this afternoon. Alam natin pareho tong dalawang kupunan nagutom sa panalo to add a point to their team para sa kanilang standing dito sa ating OBL Season 2. Kaya abangan po natin ang bakbakan na ito dahil itong dalawang kupunan talagang naghanda for this afternoon.
Yes, we know that these two teams are here not just to play but to secure another win on their side. So I'm so excited kung kanino mapupunta ang panalo this afternoon. We have a doubleheader action dito sa Oragon Basketball League Season 2. So who will get their win? Knowing these two teams talagang palaban. A lot of commercial league na ang pinaglabanan or pinagharapan nitong dalawang kupunan. So kapang-kapanan nila ang isa't isa. But again, they have their different game plans, their strength and weakness. So let's see kung kanino pupunta ang panalo this afternoon. Thank you so much po sa mga nakatutok sa atin live sa ating Facebook page. We have the Oragon Basketball League and Oragon Sports TV. So maya-maya aabang natin ang laro between these two teams.
Magsisimula na po tayo for our first game this afternoon. Maraming salamat po sa lahat na nakatutok na, and we invite everyone na gusto pong manood dito sa NCF Covered Court. Mayroon pa po tayong second game, CBS-UA Buffaloes and the NCF Tigers. So yung mga gusto pa pong manood, pwede pa po kayong humabol dito sa loob ng NCF covered court.
And to hear an update on the side of the USA Falcons, to know about their preparation, let's call our courtside reporter Ayla. Take it away.
Hello, Bicolandia! Welcome to the second season of Oragon Basketball League WB Sofia Cup. I am Ira Facey Avila, your courtside reporter from the sidelines of the USI Falcons. Driven with determination and purpose, our USI Falcons is now here to showcase another thrilling battle. With a 2-win and 1 loss, they are now more than ready to step on the court with full actions and to show off what they got. A much-anticipated battle is now filling up the crowd, kaya naman brace yourselves as we will be witnessing an exciting game between the UNC Greyhounds and the USI Falcons. Will the USI Falcons soar up high as they put their preparations into action? Yan ang sabay-sabay nating abangan for today's game. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Kyla.
Thank you so much, Ira, for that update on the side of the USA Falcons. Handang-handa itong USI. Kanina nga, Rick, habang nag-aabang ako at naghihintay dito, talagang during the huddle, 30 minutes silang kinausap nitong si Coach. All the motivations, talagang equip itong ating USA Falcons.
We will see between these two teams because they have similar standings, 2-1. So who will add their win here and who will get their second loss para dito sa ating larong ito. First 5 for both teams. On the side of the Greyhounds, we have Fernandez, Masinas, Lopez, Gianan, and Sutpin. On the other side of things, we have Dolosa, San Gabriel, Posada, Perse, and De Los Santos. UNC Greyhounds gets their first ball possession here. Lopez find his teammate, and same ball possession. 14 on the shot clock. Masinas finding Lopez. Fernandez attempt unsuccessful for the three-pointer. Now USA Falcons with the ball possession here. Doloso to Posada goes inside, but a foul was whistled, and 2 shots will be given on the side of the USA Falcons. And to hear an update on the other side of things, we have our courtside reporter sa side ng UNC Greyhounds. Famke, anong balita dyan?
Marahay na aldaw Bicolandia, asin marahay na aldaw Oragons. For our game 1 this afternoon is the UNC Greyhounds versus the USI Falcons. Reporting live from the Greyhound sideline, I am Famke Matosinio at ako ang makakasama ninyo upang maghatid ng crucial updates. You know what mga kaibigan, isa lang ang masasabi ko. This team is definitely Greyhounds, known for their explosive speed, sharp instincts, and all-out intensity. So mga kaibigan, they're very much ready to play and score on the hardcourt. So without any further ado, let the battle of the powerhouses begin. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Kyla.
And thank you so much, Famke, for that update on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. So, yun nga, their strength is their speed. So, they really need to maximize those speed, the agility inside the court on the player of the Greyhounds for them to be able to snatch the win against the Falcons. Because both teams is known for their speed dito sa loob ng hardcourt. So, let's see kung kanino mapupunta ang panalong ito. Now, both teams are still seeking for their another point conversion here. What a great defense for these both teams. Doloso calls for a traveling violation on that last sequence. Look at that. All tied up at 2. We'll get there another point here as Masinas
That's a foul for Berse. Now Masinas on the free throw line.
No good on that first shot, Kyla, para dito kay Masinas. And now let's see on his second attempt if he will add. But unsuccessful with the two shots. Now Doloso with the ball. Guarded here by Fernandez. Passing it to Posada. Posada. Sayang yon on the side of the Falcons here. Now Sudpin with the ball. Passing it to Lopez. What a great block coming from San Gabriel. But good eye para dito kay Lopez. Finding Masinas inside and gets that ball in.
Now still the ball possession will go on the side of the USA Falcons. Doloso, chainbound. The first teammate, andyan si Dilo Vieres. Now San Gabriel attempts for three, no good. Rebounded here by the Greyhounds. Now Fernandez. Guarded here on the inside. Passes to the man. That's good for that layup coming from Masinas.
What a play para dito sa UNC Greyhounds.
Ang ganda ng simula nila, Rick.
No good para dito kay Doloso. Now, another opportunity para sa Greyhound side. Masinas. Makakakuha ng foul dito ang USA Falcons. It's good. 7-2, 5-point deficit. No, another one para dito sa UNC Greyhounds. As early as this moment, kailangan dito magkaroon ng malaking kalamangan ng Greyhounds if they want to start strong. At para makakuha ng panalo dito sa larong ito. Now, on the other side of things, the USA Falcons, they need to strengthen their defense and at the same time, make sure na makakapasok lahat ng binibitawan nilang bola dito. Offensive rebound coming from Gianan, pero andoon si Purse for that rebound. And now, foul was called to Sudpin. Posada ngayon will be stepping on that free throw line for an opportunity.
Animang kalamangan dito nitong Greyhounds. Ano kaya ang gagawing pagbawi nitong USA Falcons? Dahil dito sa sunod-sunod na puntos na kino-convert nitong Greyhounds. Now, no good on that for Posada. Another chance para maka-add ng puntos sa kanilang kupunan. One out of two for Posada. Bola ng Greyhounds. Murillo, guarded here by Posada. And a steal. Now San Gabriel tries for three. That's good for Justin San Gabriel. Yan na yung hinahanap na sagot dito ng USA Falcons. But the whistle was called here for Posada. Substitution ngayon, Grabata for the USA Falcons.
Wow, what a move coming from Masinas. And now De Lovieres, unsuccessful on that layup attempt. Now Gianan, no good. Grabata ngayon may hawak ng bola. Chance on the side of the Falcons here. So far, nahihirapan dito ang USA Falcons to
Yes.
get a point. Lopez, and with the help of that board,
Ayan.
another 3-pointer para dito sa side ng Greyhounds.
Ang ganda ng pinapakita Rick nitong Greyhounds dito sa ating first quarter. They are dominating this game.
And again, UNC Greyhounds. Basket count with a foul. Now Fernandez will be having 2 shots here. And substitution on this both teams. An exchange of 5.
Good layup coming from Grabata. He added another point to their team. 8-15. 4 minutes and 46 seconds. But Chancela tries for another long 3. No good. Another chance, but still coming from Del Rosario. Nagmamadali layup. That's good for Del Rosario. Ang ganda din ang pasok nitong second 5 nitong si Coach Tope. Sunod-sunod kaagad na puntos ang kanilang na-convert dito sa kanilang team. Now Chancela, chainbound. Morillo layup, no good. Bounded here by Ravalo. Good pass to Carmelo Grabata. Wow! Another 3 points for Grabata. Ang ganda ng communication nila dito ni Ravalo. Another chance for the Falcons. And that's good from Locke. Now timeout was called by coach.
$15-all is our score. What a great run on the side of the USA Falcons. Now, ano ang gagawin dito ng UNC Greyhounds after this timeout? Because as we can see, this USA Falcons is on the run trying to get their first lead para dito sa ating first quarter. 3 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. And now Burse. This is their chance to get their first lead para dito sa larong ito.
Good on that for Burse. Now Batchancela taking his time, heavily guarded here by Burse, and that was fouled.
There's a foul. Smaller jersey number 18. Number 18, second personal foul. Penalty.
Batchancela on the free throw line. Now Ravalo. Rabata ay na-block, pero nakuha yun ni Del Rosario.
Now 7 seconds to shoot. Rather a free throw opportunity on the side of the Falcons here. No good. One more time for Del Rosario to tie this match.
Now UNC basketball. Batchancela heavily guarded here by Burse. Ganda ng pass itong Greyhounds. No good on that.
And another foul was whistled on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. And with that, another turnover on their side. Chance dito ng Falcons to get a point. Ravalo with the ball. Taking their time here, Grabata guarded here by the Greyhound. No good on that. And we have some discussions here on our officials because of that last call. Let's see, because I think the UNC side will ask for a review. Let's wait and let's see. So there's no review given on the side of the Greyhounds here. And now the USI Falcons on the free throw line for an opportunity again. Now Grabata. You know, Kyla, I'm expecting this kind of intensity
Yes.
inside this hard court between these two teams because we know kung paano ito maglarong dalawang kupunan na ito. Talagang they really want to get a win.
Yes.
So we're all tied up at 17. Grabata again. Chance for a 1-point lead on their side.
Technical foul adventure of UNC. Goal blocker Garcia.
Another chance for Carmelo Grabata. Now Bachancela to inbound.
And now these both teams need to be careful with their every move because both teams are now on the penalty situation. So every wrong move will lead into the opportunity on either of the side.
Another point conversion coming from Sakido on the Greyhounds.
Traveling. May natawag dito kay Locke on the side of the Falcons. Now, the UNC Greyhounds with the ball possession here.
Jumper, that's good for jersey number 24.
Great steal on the side of the Greyhounds. Opportunity on their side to add their lead here. An attempt for three, no good. Offensive rebound.
There's a foul. There's the number 18. Substitution. Number 18, it's the third personal foul.
No good on jersey number 91 of the Greyhounds. Now Asipor, long three, no good.
Offensive rebound coming from Locke. Passing it to Del Rosario. No good on the attempt. And the ball will stay on their side.
Foul was called and Locke will be given here a free throw opportunity. 18 to 21, 52.8 seconds. Good on his first shot. One out of two for Locke. Now, bola na ng Greyhounds. Murillo to Bachancela. Sakido taking his time here. Stella goes inside, jumper no good.
Second chance point was good. Last 22 seconds of this first quarter. Look to Del Rosario, and a foul was called on the side of Greyhounds, and Del Rosario will be having 2 shots here.
Two out of 2 for Del Rosario. Eight seconds. Long 3 from Sakido, no good. Now,
That's the end of our first quarter, 23-21. 2-point lead on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. We will be back on our second quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
back to the ball game. We are now in our second quarter, 21-23. 2 puntos po dito ang kalamangan ng Greyhounds. Now, bola ngayon ng Falcons. Batangas. Jumper. Wow. Good point from Batangas. Ito pong si Batangas, maglalaro siya for the palarong Bicol. Palarong pambansa. Ang ganda ng pasok niya dito sa second quarter. Nakakonvert kaagad ng puntos dito sa koponan ng USA Falcons. Now UNC ball. Fernandez goes inside and so was called here. That's a foul for Quijano.
.14 to shoot on the side of Greyhounds. Fernandez with the ball. Finding Patiancela, 4-3, no good. Now Batangas, passing it to Asibor. Deadlock at 23, chance for them to get the lead here. But what a great steal coming from the UNC side. Back-to-back steal for both teams. Asibor to Batangas. Doesn't go in.
Patiancela communicating with his teammate. Gianan heavily guarded here. Ang ganda ng depensa ng USI. Wow, good layup coming from Gianan.
Now, to hear an update on the side of the UNC Greyhounds for the second quarter. Let's call Famke to give us an update.
Thank you so much, Rick and Kyla. Ang masasabi ko lang sa first quarter, talaga namang agresibo ang USI Falcons, pero tinapatan yan ng UNC Greyhounds. You know what mga kaibigan, in a team sport, crucial ang teamwork at yan ang ipinapakita sa akin ngayon ng UNC Greyhounds. Ilang beses nilang ginawa ang solid pass na talaga namang sumisimbolo sa strong connection ng bawat players. Kabisado nila ang position ng kanilang mga kasama kaya hindi mahirap para sa kanila ang decision making when the pressure is on. Samantalang paalala ni Coach na masyado silang nagfo-focus sa guard kaya it's time para naman sa big man. Second quarter is here pero unpredictable na kaagad ang laban kaya naman stay tuned only here on Oragon Basketball League Season 2. That's it for now. Back to our commentators.
Thank you so much, Famke, for that update on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Talagang sabi nga dito ni Famke, agresibong agresibo itong Greyhounds. Gutom na gutom ito sa panalo. Gusto nila ng panalo this afternoon at kitang-kita naman yon sa kanilang performance. Now another foul was called dito sa koponan ng Falcons. Lopez, Tomasinas, and ball possession na nitong Falcons.
(25-24), just a single point. Now, USI Falcons, ano yung gagawin pa nila dito para mapunta sa kanila ang lead and at the same time magkaroon ng magandang momentum? Tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter, Ira. Take it away.
Rick and Kyla, the game started with an adrenaline rush from both teams. It just goes to show how eager both teams are. The determination of the USI Falcons is really visible in this game, and the coaches are really encouraging the players to perform their best. Sabi nga ni Coach Tupe, matibay sinda pero mas matibay kita sa depensa as a team. Nagsisimula pa lamang ang laban pero ramdam na ang init at tagisan sa larong ito. Let us all sit back and hopefully relax because this game is a thrilling game. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Kyla.
Thank you so much, Ira, for that update on the side of the USA Falcons.
Now UNC basketball. Fernandez gets that ball in. Another point on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Now,
The Falcons with the ball possession here. Double substitution on the side of their team. San Gabriel to inbound.
Hindi nagkakalayo, Rick. Ang score nitong dalawang koponan talagang dikit na dikit simula pa
Yes.
kanina.
No good on that layup coming from Doloso. And now Gianan, long pass. Doloso with that. Still passing it to his teammate San Gabriel. But loses that. Same ball possession with 17 on the shot clock. Offensive rebound, San Gabriel for 3. Not this time.
Ball releasing number 7. Number 7, please, personal foul.
Wow. Pero sayang. And that's a foul. Kala ko pasok na pero hindi pala. Pero nakakuha dito ng foul. Etong Greyhounds. And a steal. Lock. San Gabriel. Hanap na mapapasahan.
Asibor this time on the corner for 3. No good. Offensive rebound. But lumabas ang bola dito. And now another substitution was made for these both teams. 29-26 is our score. Valera nagmamadali. Tatawid ang bola on their side. Finding his teammate here with 15 to shoot. Same ball possession but good defense on the side of the Falcons. Sutpin to inbound. Fernandez to Valera for 3. No good. And it's USA Basketball. Foul was made again on the side of the Greyhounds. So these two teams talagang ayaw magkaroon ng point conversion kada isa because of that tight defense. They really need to double their effort if they want to add their score here. Medyo natenga na tayo sa 29-26. 4 minutes and 41 seconds remaining for our first half. But this time, USI Falcons get a point coming from that layup. A much needed one. And now, UNC trying to add their 1-point lead here. Stepping on the line. Crucial turnover para dito kay Fernandez. Now USI Falcons with the ball possession here. Look, taking their time, passing it to Ravalo. Doloso to Posada. 12 seconds to shoot. Great defense on the side of Greyhounds, but a 3-pointer para dito kay Ravalo. And now, the lead is on their side, 31-29. Matiancela to Sakido. 8 to shoot. Wow, look at that. Matiancela with that beautiful layup. Hindi alintana yung guards on the side of the USA Falcons to make this a 31-all. Long 3 in and out ball Sayang yon para dito sa Falcon side. Now UNC with the ball possession. Matiancela to inbound. Look at that defense, Skyla. And with that beautiful defense, USI Falcons libreng-libre with that layup. Corner pocket for three. No good. Ball will go on the side of the Falcons. 33-31. What a great game para dito sa dalawang kupunan. Very close. We cannot tell kung kanino mapupunta ang momentum on our second or rather third quarter because of this performance by these two teams. Both teams are eager to win this match. Valera to Batiancela, guarded here by Ravalo, asking for his teammate here. What a block! Look at that. Coloso with that block, and San Gabriel with a point conversion. This time, it's USI Falcons creating and making their own momentum dito sa natitirang 2 minutes and 13 seconds of our first half. What a great game on the side of Falcons. Offensive rebound. San Gabriel. But a steal coming from the Greyhound side. They need a point now. A minute and 45 seconds remaining for this quarter. 35-31. Just a 4-point lead on the side of Falcons. Subin. But again, USI Falcons is doing a great job on stealing that ball on the side of Greyhounds. Same ball possession with his 12 seconds on the shot clock. Great steal. And now Sutpin, nagmamadali and getting a free throw shots here on the side of their team, 35-31.
One minute and 16 seconds. Now Sutpin at the free throw line. Good on his first shot. Two out of two for Sutpin. Now timeout was called by Coach Tope.
Thank you so much to all our live viewers. Ayun, quick shoutout muna tayo sa ating mga viewers na nanonood sa game number 1 ng ating doubleheader Saturday match sa Oragon Basketball League Season 2. Shoutout po kay Franco Mase, kay Joan, kay John Alvin Repil, kay Carla Calleja, Dedray Labordo, Karen K. Escaro, Aljon Adayo, kay Aljon Pogoy, kay Christine Reyes, at kay Hannah Cheska. Thank you so much and happy watching po. And then back to the ball game. A minute and 16 for this first half. Who will get their great momentum na dadalhin sa ating pangatlong quarter? It's USA Falcons basketball. Posada taking their time here. Goloso to San Gabriel on the corner for three. No good. But Tencela with the ball. 56 seconds remaining. Now Greyhounds with a chance to add their score here. Another deadlock of the match, 35 all. No good on that fadeaway attempt coming from Lok. Supin. And now, great still coming from the Falcon side. Ravalo gets inside. No good. 10 seconds remaining for this quarter. And, wow, napakagandang press to end this first half on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. 38-35, don't go away because when we come back, makikita pa natin ang ating second half only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The digital age is here. They warn us of a cold, efficient world where the human touch is lost to automation. But we refuse to accept that choice. At Naga College Foundation, we believe the best future is one led by heart. We equip you with the skills you need to thrive. From our dynamic programs in finance and business, to the hands-on fields of IT and engineering, through our vital health sciences, our justice programs in criminology, and the crucial roles of education in the arts, we cover the entire spectrum of tomorrow's workforce. Here, you don't just become future ready, you become a worker with empathy, a leader who understands that technology must serve humanity. Choose the college that prepares you not just for the job, but for the world. The future is here at NCF. Enroll at Naga College Foundation. Let us build a brighter, kinder tomorrow.
Naga College Foundation has built futures through learning. Today, we carry that same purpose into a new frontier where learning goes beyond the boundaries of the classroom, with technology helping students bridge between potential and opportunity. With the digital age challenging us to rethink what learning means, how can we strengthen our communities and shape generations of leaders who will carry the spirit of service and excellence beyond our campus? Digital transformation is not just about adapting technology for the sake of it. It's about widening the path to opportunity. Every learner can access the same quality of education.
And we are back to the ball game. Second half of our third quarter. Ano kaya ang gagawin ng dalawang koponan to win this game? 35-38 lamang po dito ng 3 puntos ang UNC Greyhounds.
Now UNC Greyhounds ball possession. Supin, no good. And now USA Falcons, kailangan nila ditong pumuntos to lessen this 3-point lead on the side of the Greyhounds. Offensive rebound. Sayang yon para sa side ng Falcons. Miscommunication, and now UNC aiming to add their lead here. 12 to shoot. Free throw para dito kay Batiancela.
Two out of 2 for Batiancela. 5 na po ang kalamangan ng Greyhounds. Now San Gabriel to Del Rosario. And the whistle was called here. Mabibigyan dito ng free throw opportunity itong si Del Rosario. Now UNC basketball. Murillo. Heavily guarded by Asibor. To Batchancela.
And now, to hear an update on the side of Falcons, let's call our courtside reporter, Ira.
Rick and Kyla, we are now down on the second half of the game and the USI Falcons is still trying their best para makuha ang momentum for this game. With a very close fight against the UNC Greyhounds, mas pinapalakas pa ng USI Falcons ang kanilang depensa at pinag-iigihan ang kanilang game plan to secure their win. They are really imposing every strategies and tactics to make sure that there's no ball to miss. Payo nga ni Coach Tupa to the players, huwag ipahalata ang bawat galaw ninyo para masway sila. Basketball fans, brace yourselves because this game is a game we shouldn't all miss. Back to you, Rick and Kyla.
Thank you so much, Ira, for that update on the side of the USA Falcons. Now Batchancela. Long 3 for Murillo, no good. Nakuha pa rin yun for another offensive rebound. And that's good for Gianan. Another 2-pointers for him. Fouls go to Gianan.
Number 7, second personal foul. 7 of UNC.
Now Justin San Gabriel, chin bound.
Timeout, 14 seconds.
Last 10 seconds on the shot clock for the side of the USA Falcons. And the loss secures that on their side, 37-42. And para makahingi ng update sa side ng UNC Greyhounds, let's toss it on our courtside reporter, Famke.
Who risks nothing has nothing. Yan ang mindset ng dalawang koponan. Kaya nangingibabaw talaga ang kanilang competitive spirit na mas nagpapatindi lalo sa kanilang laban. Pero para sa UNC Greyhounds, we will risk it all. During the last minute timeout, coach reminded his players, kukuha tayo ng momentum. Dapat nasa atin ang momentum pagkatapos ng second quarter. At mga kaibigan, talagang nagtagumpay sila na mapasa kamay ito. Ang tanong, magtuloy-tuloy kaya ito hanggang sa third at fourth quarter o nagbabalak ang USI Falcons na ang kininito? Sama-sama natin yung abangan dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Kyla.
Thank you so much for that, Famke. So yun nga, on the second quarter, this UNC Greyhounds, talagang napakaganda ng ginawang run and the momentum is on their side. So they need to be consistent if they really want to win this match against the USA Falcons. Because again, consistency is the key. They really need to make the most out of their ball possession. And now 44-39, the lead is back on their side. Sakido. Good shot. And now USA Falcons ngayon ang may hawak ng bola. Ravala to Asibor for 3, no good. Offensive rebound coming from Del Rosario. And a basket count, samahan pa yun ng foul.
Basket count. Ball on number 7. Jersey number 7.
Del Rosario. successful on that free throw shot. 42-46. Murillo with the ball, passing it to Gianan.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
And gets that ball in on the side of the Greyhounds. And Justin San Gabriel libre with that layup. Great pass on the side of the USA Falcons. 48-44, a 4-point lead on the side of Greyhounds here. 9 to shoot. Batiancela.
There's the foul. There's number 6.
Foul will be called to Sakido on that last sequence, and a double substitution. Loria and Masinas checks in. San Gabriel to Ravalo, and look at that pass. Sayang nga lang dahil hindi pumasok.
Missed opportunity.
Yes.
Sayang. Now UNC ball. Valera to Masinas. Heavily guarded here by Doloso. Layup, that's good! Ang ganda ng pinapakita ngayon nitong si Masinas. He's really consistent since the first quarter of this game. Now Valera to Murillo. Taking his time, looking for his teammate. Passes to Batiancela. Valera goes inside, and a whistle was called here. Foul was called on jersey number 9, San Gabriel. Valera will be given here a free throw opportunity.
Second personal foul on jersey number 9. Third USI. Shot clock 14 seconds.
What a great three-pointer coming from Ravalo to lessen the gap here. Just a 2-point lead on the side of the Greyhounds. They need to add more. What a great defense on the side of the USA Falcons.
Now, Falcons. Asiborto del Rosario taking his time here. Ang ganda ng depensa nitong Greyhounds. And that's a traveling violation. Hindi nagkakalayo yung score. simula pa kanina. Pero talagang itong Greyhounds, consistent sa kanilang performance. Since the first quarter of this game, napakaigpit na depensa ang kanilang pinapakita. Now, wow, another 3 pointers from the Greyhounds. Sunod-sunod na naman ang kanilang point conversion dito, Rick. Ang ganda ng kanilang pinapakita.
Asibor. And a great block on the side of Greyhounds. Offensive rebound. No good on the 3-point attempt. Long pass to San Gabriel, and that goes in.
Substitution. Number 9, third personal foul. Fourth, the USA.
Substitution. The side of Falcons here. Ciruelos and Grabata checks in. Batiancela for the sideline inbound. And foul was whistled to the UNC side. Opportunity para dito sa Falcons. Grabata to Ciruelos with that jumper. No good. And great steal on the side of the UNC, but
Sayang.
yes, wasted opportunity for Morillo, and now Grabata for 3. Wow. Great impact coming from the bench on the side of Falcons. Grabata. And sabayan pa yan dito ng steal, and Ciruelos with that layup. And with that, napatawag ng timeout dito ang UNC Greyhounds because naibaba na lamang dito. Or rather, nakuha na dito ng USA Falcons ang kalamangan. 54-53. What a run again on the side of Falcons here. And of course, thank you so much to all our sponsors. We have WBN Sofia, Gold Trans BTS, DLP Printing Services, CBD Plaza Hotel, Lotus Blue Hotel, Naga College Foundation, Digital Graphics, Claypot Cafe, Flip Soul Naga, Rufian Stubborn, Bisacol Outdoor Shop, AET Ads, Sundays Hotel, Papatantan Apartel, Lemon Residences, Summit Private Resort and Sports Hub, Win Radio 107.9 Naga, Comser Eye Center, NCF College of Arts and Sciences, NCF College of Criminal Justice Education, Safe Gas Station, Motomo TV, Deligold Philippines, City Hoops, Trophies and Medals, Glass House Beach Resort, Maswerte Foods, Chicken Ron, and Triomed Medical Distributor. Thank you so much for your overwhelming support. Now back to the ball game. 1 minute and 52 seconds remaining for our third quarter, and the USA Falcons with this 1-point lead. What would be the answer on the side of the Greyhounds after the huddle? Look at that, muntik na naman dito maagawan. Lopez taking his time, passing it to Batiancela, lose that ball. 4 seconds on the shot clock. But
Naihabol
Yes.
yun.
Batiancela with that point. And now look on that corner for 3, and it's Grabata again, or rather Ciruelos.
Palitan lang ng puntos itong dalawang koponan. Hindi talaga rin nagkakalayo
Yes.
ang kanilang score. since the first quarter. Dikit na dikit ang laban. So unpredictable kung sino talaga ang makakakuha ng panalo for this afternoon. Mahaba-haba pa po. Meron pa tayong last and final quarter. Kaya we can say kung sino nga ba talaga ang makakakuha ng win for this afternoon. But on that last sequence, no good on that from Lopez. Zero out of 2 for Lopez. Missed chance. Now, Posada. Ceruelos. Tutoloso for long 3, no good. Another steal from Locke. Ganda na ng depensa nitong Falcons.
Grabata on the corner for 3, no good. Offensive rebound coming from Posada. Wow. A basket count with a foul.
Napasigaw siya dun, Rick.
Yes. Posada. No good. 58-55. Last 30 seconds for this quarter. Look at that. Another steal on the side of the USA Falcons. Gravata to Posada. No good. Long pass para sa Greyhounds. Masinas ang may hawak ng bola. Goes inside and gets a point. Wow. These two teams. Great exchange of points here. USI, meanwhile, with that beautiful connection, the passing, and good eye. Talagang hinanap nila dito yung kanilang player on that beautiful position inside and gets that layup on their side. What a great time and great game on the side of the USA Falcons. That's the end of our third quarter. 60-57 is our score. Magbabalik po kami for our final quarter dito lamang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Back to the ball game. We are now in our last and final quarter. 60-57. 3 puntos po dito ang kalamangan nitong USA Falcons. Let's see kung sino nga ba po ang makakakuha ng panalo for this afternoon. Kaabang-abang at excited na ang lahat dahil napakabakbakan ng laban na ito. On that last sequence, Grandat, Masinas, good conversion again. 2-pointers for him. Grabata with the ball for the Falcons. Passes to Posada. Now, Ceruelos on the inside. Heavily guarded by Masinas. Locke Jumper no good. Rebounded here by Doloso. Sunod-sunod ang offensive rebound nitong Falcons. Ceruelos, jumper. Wow, that's good for Ceruelos. Fernandez for the UNC Greyhounds. 11 seconds. Whistle was called here. That's a foul for Ceruelos. We can hear the coaches here instructing their players. Wow, good conversion again from Fernandez. to 61, dikit na dikit po ang laban. We can predict now kung sino nga ba ang mananalo. Doloso looking for his teammate. Too much ang kanyang pagpasya dito kay Ceruelos. Napasobra. Eight minutes and 42 seconds, 62 to 61. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng ating live audience. Abangan po ang ating second game for this afternoon, the CBSUA Buffaloes against the NCF Tigers. Now, para makahingi tayo ng update on the side of the UNC Greyhounds, let's call our courtside reporter, Famke. Famke, take it away.
Thank you so much, Rick and Kyla. You know what? UNC Greyhounds are not just playing. They're showing us how basketball should be played at its peak. The skill, the character, the strategy. Talaga namang kitang-kita natin yan. Pero para sa USI Falcons, they can match and surpass that energy. According to coach, he wants transition. He reminded his players what to adjust and what to adapt. Let's just see kung magiging effective ba ito. The fourth and final quarter ang naghihintay para sa ating lahat. Ano kaya ang magiging resulta nito? Papabor kaya sa UNC Greyhounds or sa USI Falcons? I'm so excited na malaman at alam kong kayo rin. Kaya naman wag na wag kayong BBTO dito lang sa OBL Season 2. Yan na muna ang update rito. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Kyla.
And thank you so much, Famke, for the update on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. So yun nga, kailangan dito ng magandang game plan, ball distribution, ball transition on the side of the UNC Greyhounds if they want to win this against the USI Falcons, because kanina pa natin napapansin dito na napakadikit ng score ng dalawang kupunan na ito. So you cannot afford to create turnovers and give your opponent the ball possession they want if you really want to win this one. So nasa fourth quarter na tayo, 7 minutes and 57 seconds na lamang natitira na oras for this match. So kailangan ditong doblehin yung effort ng dalawang kupunan if they really want to win this. Asibor with the ball possession. Looking for his teammate here. Bursa to Doloso. And passing it to the wrong man. Great steal coming from Masinas, but back-to-back steal for both teams. Look to San Gabriel for 3 and walang sabit. What a great 3 para dito kay San Gabriel. And now, 65-63 is our score. What would be the answer on the side of the UNC Greyhounds here? Now, para makarinig naman tayo ng update sa side ng USI Falcons na umaarangkada ngayon, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Ira.
Rick and Kyla, mas lalong umiinit ang laban in this court because both teams are really aiming to win. The USI Falcons should be consistent sa kanilang game plan and dapat panatilihin ang kanilang composure para maiwasan ang mga turnovers. They are not letting their guard down and they are focusing on executing good defense. Sabi nga ni Coach Tupe, nasa atin na ang momentum, huwag na natin ibigay sa kanila. The Falcons are now playing aggressively para makasigurado na bawat puntos ay walang paltos. Slowly but surely, as per Coach Tupe said. Sama-sama nating abangan ang mga susunod na mangyayari. Back to you, Rick and Kyla.
Ayan, thank you so much for that, Ira. According to Coach Tupe, dahan-dahanin and huwag nang bitawan yung momentum on their side. And right now, this USA Falcons is following their head coach na panatiling nasa kanilang momentum. But again, foul was whistled on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. USA Falcons right now slowly but surely pulling away on our scoreboard here with 67-63. Doloso has the chance to add their lead here. Clean shot. Five-point lead on their side. Another one for Doloso. And 2 out of 2. Composure. Isa pa yan sa binanggit dito ni Coach Tope na kailangan ng kanilang team to win this match against this mighty UNC Greyhounds. Now, ano ang maisasagot dito ng UNC Greyhounds for that couple of point conversion on the side of Falcons? They need to answer those point conversion if they want to lessen the lead na hawak dito ang kanilang opponent. Supin looking for his teammate Sakido, guarded here by Doloso. Fernandez taking his time here. Bantay sarado pero makakakuha ng puntos. 65-69. 4-point lead on the side of Falcons. 10 to shoot. Asibor with that long three. Offensive rebound coming from Burse. But out of bounds. Crucial turnover on the side of their team. UNC Greyhounds. The ball possession here. Supin to inbound with this 15 seconds on the shot clock. Patiancela for 3. No good. Burse. Tulok. Foul was called to Fernandez. Great defense on the side of Falcons here. Same ball possession. Greyhounds need a point here. Morillo checks in on the side of Greyhounds. Fernandez with the ball. 5 to shoot. And Sakido with that second chance point. Now it's USA Basketball. Missed opportunity on the side of Falcons, but a great steal coming from San Gabriel. Doloso to Burse with 3-point attempt unsuccessful. UNC Greyhounds aims to tie this matchup or even reclaim the lead on their side.
But still, libre. Wow. Ang ganda na ng pinapakita ng Falcons dito.
USA
71 to 67, 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Bola na ng Greyhounds. At Chancela nababalaba ng bola. Ganda ng depensa nitong si Burse. Fernandez goes inside and still from San Gabriel. Burse, layup, that's good from Burse. Tuloy-tuloy na ang momentum, Rick, nitong USA Falcons. Ano kaya ang sagot at ano kaya ang gagawin ng UNC Greyhounds after their timeout? Take a look on that instant replay. Wow.
And with that, a timeout was called on the side of the UNC Greyhounds because papalapit na tayo sa pagtatapos ng match na to, and their team is behind here 73-67. So they need to make sure na makakahabol sila with this remaining minutes of this game. And if you're on the side of the USA Falcons, all you have to do is add your lead here for you to be able to secure this one on your side.
Morillo. Fernandez looking for a teammate. Andyan si Masinas. No good. Kuha na yan ni Doloso. Lock and that's a foul for Morillo. Mahaba-haba pa itong 3 minutes and 25 seconds, Rick. Pwede pa sila ditong makahabol at makabawi.
Morillo for 3. No good. Offensive rebound. Gawa ng bola dito, but the USA Falcons gets it. Burse. And the connection. San Gabriel with that pass and conversion coming from Doloso. Wow, USA Falcons looking good dito sa pagtatapos ng ating match.
The clock is 3 seconds. Number 5. Dapat down for the lead, number 18. Number 18, 7:35. 70.
Two minutes and 33 seconds. 6 points ang Kalamangan. Wow, a good layup coming from Masipor. Patumba na siya doon, pero naihabol pa. Chancela, extra effort, nabitawan.
And I think the Falcons are asking for a review here. First review of this match. Two minutes and 9 seconds remaining. And 78-70 po ang ating scoreboard. Abante ng 8 points ang side ng Falcons. Medyo mahaba-haba pa itong 2 minutes and 9 seconds. So, USA Falcons, they need to be careful with their moves at kailangan dagdagan dito ang kanilang Kalamangan if they want to win this. And on the other side of things, the UNC Greyhounds, they need to double their effort. Every ball possession counts at this moment, so they need to maximize those possession that goes on their side. We're just waiting on our officials after reviewing that last sequence.
Now by Chancela. Three-pointers, no good. Rebounded here by Doloso.
Defensive rebound. Last 2 minutes of the match. And wow! What a three-pointer coming from Asibor in these crucial moments. Wow! To strengthen their lead here. That's good for Murillo. 10-point lead para dito sa USA Falcons. Yun yung kailangang trabahuhin on the side of the UNC Greyhounds with 1 minute and 39 seconds remaining.
Wrong pass. Back-to-back steal for the both team. Asibor. San Gabriel. Another one. But that is a missed point for the Falcons. 1 minute and 18 seconds. 9 points ang kalamangan dito ng Falcons. Lock on the free throw line. Good on his first shot.
No good on that second shot. And now UNC Greyhounds with the ball possession here. And Sakido successful on that layup. San Gabriel guarded here. And the ball goes on the side of the Greyhounds. What a defense shown coming from Fernandez and Murillo. Fernandez. What a great steal coming from the Falcons here. Doloso. No good. Fernandez. Itatawid ang bola. Look at that pass. And what a great point conversion on the side of Greyhounds. And with that, Coach Tope press for a timeout. 49 seconds remaining for this match. What a game for these two teams. Back to the ball game. San Gabriel, Asibor. Asibor goes inside. Andon si Masinas for that rebound. Passing it to Murillo, nagmamadali. And that's not good. 30 seconds, or rather 29 seconds remaining. Burse, Asibor. Fires for 3. And it's good again. Asibor with those crucial 3-pointers. Wow. What a game for him on the latter part of this match. 9 seconds remaining for this match. 85-76. And we can safe to say that USA Falcons wins this one against the UNC Greyhounds. Congratulations on their team for winning this one. And of course, congratulations also on the side of the Greyhounds. Binigyan tayo ng napakagandang laro ng dalawang koponan na ito. Don't go away because when we come back, makikilala natin ang ating best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The digital age is here. They warn us of a cold, efficient world where the human touch is lost to automation, but we refuse to accept that choice. At Naga College Foundation, we believe the best future is one led by heart. We equip you with the skills you need to thrive. From our dynamic programs in finance and business, to the hands-on fields of IT and engineering, through our vital health sciences, our justice programs in criminology, and the crucial roles of education in the arts, we cover the entire spectrum of tomorrow's workforce. Here, you don't just become future ready, you become a worker with empathy, a leader who understands that technology must serve humanity. Choose the college that prepares you not just for the job, but for the world. The future is here at NCF. Enroll at Naga College Foundation. Let us build a brighter, kinder tomorrow.
Naga College Foundation has built futures relearning. Today, we carry that same purpose into a new frontier, where learning goes beyond the boundaries of the classroom, with technology helping students bridge between potential and opportunity. With the digital age challenging us to rethink what learning means, how can we strengthen our communities and shape generations of leaders who will carry the spirit of service and excellence beyond our campus? Digital transformation is not just about adapting technology for the sake of it. It's about widening the path to opportunity. every learner can access the same quality of education with the same confidence to thrive in a fast-changing world. With the support of digital platforms and our partnership with Samsung, every teacher and student is now equipped with a Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. The single step has transformed access to learning, allowing classes to continue wherever our learners are, regardless of circumstance or environment. Our educators are no longer limited to traditional teaching method. They have been trained to use app and online platforms to create interactive, data-driven lessons that adapt to how each student learns best, bringing energy and relevance into every subject. Students in turn are collaborating digitally across teams and disciplines, mirroring the very environments they will soon enter in the professional world. We have taken learning beyond the classroom, empowering
And that concludes our first game of the day. With so much perseverance, our USI Falcons are able to win this game. And now to recognize our best player of the game, brought to you by CBD Plaza Hotel. We are here with jersey number 22, Mr. Doloso, with 8 points, 9 rebounds, 4 assists, 3 steals, and 2 blocks. So, first of all, congratulations po sa panalo ninyo today. And kanina, knowing na sobrang dikit ng laban, ano sa tingin mo yung naging winning move ng team in today's game?
Una-una, syempre, yung system namin, nagtiwala lang kami sa system namin, kay coach, mga coaching staff, sa mga ka-team ko, and sa defense, yun talaga yung pinaka-number 1 namin iniisip para manalo.
Okay. So, paano po kayo nag-communicate during the times na ramdam yung pressure?
Unang-una, tingin lagi kay coach, pag dead ball, nag-huddle kami, kahit nag-communicate kami sa bawat isa.
Alright, so now baka meron ka pong gustong shoutout or message for your family or
Una-una syempre sa USI community, sa coaches ko, sa teammates ko, sa girlfriend ko, si Ara Jane, saka sa kapatid kong nasa Japan, nasa Manila, tapos yung family ko na nasa San Felipe.
Alright, once again, congratulations to our USI Falcons for winning this game. Truly, that discipline with action fruits a better result. Thank you so much for watching today's game. And once again, I am Ira Facey Avila reporting courtside. For a high-level coverage, stay tuned here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
That's it. That's our game. Number 1, it's between the USA Falcons versus the UNC Greyhounds. Kung saan nanalo nga Kyla ang USA Falcons, and the best player of the game is John Michael Doloso, contributing well on their side. So what a game para doon sa ating game number 1 dito sa ating doubleheader sa Oragon Basketball League. Again, your commentator, Rick Puerta.
And I am Kyla Casulia. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanood this afternoon. And of course, pakaabangan po ang aming second game for this afternoon ng CBSA Buffaloes ang maghaharap kontra NCF Tigers. Maraming salamat po. This is Oragon Basketball League on here in Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The digital age is here. They warn us of a cold, efficient world where the human touch is lost to automation, but we refuse to accept that choice. At Naga College Foundation, we believe the best future is one led by heart. We equip you with the skills you need to thrive. From our dynamic programs in finance and business, to the hands-on fields of IT and engineering, through our vital health sciences, our justice programs in criminology, and the crucial roles of education in the arts, we cover the entire spectrum of tomorrow's workforce. Here, you don't just become future ready, you become a worker with empathy, a leader who understands that technology must serve humanity. Choose the college that prepares you not just for the job, but for the world. The future is here at NCF. Enroll at Naga College Foundation. Let us build a brighter, kinder tomorrow.
Naga College Foundation has built futures relearning. Today, we carry that same purpose into a new frontier where learning goes beyond the boundaries of the classroom, with technology helping students bridge between potential and opportunity. With the digital age challenging us to rethink what learning means, how can we strengthen our communities and shape generations of leaders who will carry the spirit of service and excellence beyond our campus? Digital transformation is not just about adopting technology for the sake of it. It's about widening the path to opportunity. Every learner can access the same quality of education with the same confidence to thrive in a fast-changing world. With the support of digital platforms and our partnership with Samsung, every teacher and student is now equipped with a Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. The single step has transformed access to learning, allowing classes to continue wherever our learners are, regardless of circumstance or environment. Our educators are no longer limited to traditional teaching method. They have been trained to use app and online platforms to create interactive, data-driven lessons that adapt to how each student learns best, bringing energy and relevance into every subject. Students, in turn, are collaborating digitally across teams and disciplines, mirroring the very environments they will soon enter in the professional world. We have taken learning beyond the classroom, empowering teachers to inspire and students to lead by embracing technology and making tablets part of our curriculum. Our digital transformation is not simply an adaptation, it is transformation driven by purpose, guided by innovation, and anchored in our belief that education must always serve people first. Our mission to democratize technology in education has taken a significant step forward with Samsung. By empowering every student to leap into the future, we ensure that true transformation begins where opportunity is shared by everyone, everywhere.
Your quest begins with a single step, where passion meets purpose, and learners become leaders. This is where champions in healthcare are made with AI-powered, world-class, real-life simulating laboratories, top-tier clinical instructors, healthcare industry innovation-focused curriculum, and skills management. The Naga College Foundation College of Health Sciences is your premier choice in excellent healthcare education. Change the game. Be a champion.
Hey everyone! Welcome to NCF Basic Education Department, where we're not just learning,
We're changing the game. First stop, the library. Oh wait, this isn't your typical library.
Nope. Here at NCF, the library is a vibe, a space for collab, creativity, and discovery. Changing the game?
Absolutely. Now these are our science labs. We've got the junior high school bio lab, plus the physics, chem, and bio labs. And if Marvel needs their next genius, they can start here with us, the Tigers.
Because here, science isn't just taught, it's changing the game.
Tiger techies and creators. This is our playground, the computer and TLE labs.
Coding, designing, building. This is where Tigers turn ideas into reality. Another way we're changing the game.
Hungry? Our cafe's got everything to power our day.
And our comfort rooms, clean, safe, and tiger-proof.
Small details, big impact. Another way we're changing the game. Us Tigers aren't just fierce inside the classroom, but also on the court.
Basketball, volleyball, swimming, and more. Our sports facilities bring out the athlete in every Tiger.
And when we play, it's not just a game. We're changing the game.
Need help? Our admin team's got your back always.
Every building here at NCF, built to inspire.
And beyond classrooms, these innovative learning spaces spark creativity, teamwork, and Tiger pride.
And here's something we're absolutely proud of. We're LASSO accredited.
A mark of excellence in high-quality education.
Audio preview.
Good afternoon, Bicolandia. We are live here sa loob ng NCF Covered Court for our second game. It's the matchup between the CBSUA Buffaloes versus the NCF Tigers. Makakasama niyo po ulit ako, your commentator, Rick Puerta, and beside me is Kyla Casulla to give you all an update sa mangyayari dito sa ating last game of our doubleheader Saturday match ng Oragon Basketball League Season 2.
Yes, Rick, abang-abang ang matchup na ito between the CBS-UA and the NCF Tigers. Kaya naman, napakaabangan po ang larong ito. And to those people na gusto pong manood dito sa loob ng NCF covered court, maluwag pa po dito ang ating mga pwesto. So pwede pa po kayong manood for this matchup. Kaabang-abang ito, Rick, because this is their first time na maghaharap ever. Sabi nga nitong CBS-UA, ito ang pinakaunang paghaharap nila kontra dito sa NCF Tigers. Kaya naman both team are really excited dito sa laban na ito. So let's see kung sino ang makakakuha ng panalo for this afternoon.
And to hear an update on the side of the NCF Tigers, ano yung kanilang gagawin na game plan to secure yung first spot sa ating league at makadagdag sa kanilang winning column because wala pa silang talo dito sa ating liga. Alamin natin yan on our courtside reporter, Dylan. Take it away.
Jos Marahay na Aldao, Bicol Lanja. Welcome to Oragon Basketball League Season 2, the Battle of the Powerhouses. I am Dylan Talagtag, your courtside correspondent, bringing you the game from the heart of the action. The NCF Tigers currently undefeated with a strong 3-0 standing, a team built on discipline and the winning mentality of true champions. With 3 straight victories, their confidence is sky high and their chemistry is solid. From lockdown defense to clutch offense, the Tigers are roaring louder than ever. And today, they return to the hard court, unbeaten, unstoppable, and hungry for more. Handang-handa na ang NCF Tigers magpasiklab ng another top-tier performance. Will they continue their winning streak? Stay locked in only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Kyla.
Thank you so much, Dylan, for that update. And now, ball possession will go on the side of the Tigers. Pelias Tumase. No good on that jumper. But a whistle was called here. He will be given here a free throw opportunity.
No good on that first shot. One more time for Vinluan. Wala pa din. Same ball possession. NCF looking for their first point here. Miscommunication, so the ball possession goes on the side of the CBS-UA Buffaloes. And speaking of the Buffaloes, ano yung kanilang preparation knowing that this is their first encounter against the NCF Tigers? To know more about their team, let's call our courtside reporter, Clark. Go ahead.
What's up, Oragon fans? Today is a new start to greatness and power. Dito lang yan sa Oragon Basketball League Season 2 WB Sophia Cup. At ako nga ang makakasama ninyo ngayon on the sidelines of CBS-UA Buffaloes upang magatid ng may init updates dito sa ating hardcourt. I am your courtside reporter, Clark Antuba. And for our second matchup for today, maghaharap nga ang CBS-UA Buffaloes versus NCF Tigers. At kung mapapansin nga natin ay medyo nahihirapan pa ang CBS-UA Buffaloes sa kanilang mga nakaraang laro. Pero isa na naman itong pagkakataon upang patunayan nila na hindi sila basta-basta. At lalo't makakalaban nila ang wala pang talo dito sa OBL, walang iba kundi ang NCF Tigers. Kaya naman sabay-sabay nating abangan kung makukuha na ba nila ang kanilang unang panalo. Yan ang ating abangan. Sino ang mamamayagpag at sino ang mananaig. Huwag na natin patagalin pa. Yan ang ating abangan dito lamang sa Oragon Basketball League WB Sophia Cup Gold Chance BTS. We are live here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Kyla.
Thank you so much, Clark, for that update on the side of the CBS-UA Buffaloes. Kaya nga, Rick, ito ay challenge dito sa CBS-UA, knowing na yung kalaban nila this afternoon ay wala pang talo. And of course, sila wala pa ring panalo, kaya naghahabol sila dito ng panalo. Kaya let's see if makuha nila ang panalo for this afternoon. Good on that. First basket for the CBSUA Buffaloes.
And great connection there on that last sequence. Now, NCF Tigers looking for their another point here. Great block coming from the Buffalo side. And now it's their ball possession. Parafina to his teammate rather. The ball goes on the side of NCF. Mase tries for that fast break. No good. Pero matatawagan dito ng foul ang kupunan ng Buffalo. So free throw opportunity will be given to Mase. Two-1 is our score. Single point lead. But we're all tied up at 2. Same ball possession. And now Muhar to inbound on the side of Buffaloes. Passing it to jersey number 18. Offensive rebound. Pelias with that. Pero andoon si Gamban. But a traveling violation was called on the side of Buffaloes. Wasted opportunity para sa kanilang kupunan, and now NCF Tigers on the offense at this moment. Mase with the ball. One of the veterans on the side of NCF. Turnover on the side of Tigers, so Buffaloes, they have the chance here to add their score. Balbuena looking for his teammate, passing it to jersey number 14, Mohar, but a great steal coming from the NCF side. Pelias with that one-hand layup, and it's good.
After foul, foul number 3. Number 3, first foul. Goal for CBSUA.
Good on his first shot. He converted 3 points dito sa kanyang koponan.
And a great steal coming from the NCF again. Mase. Wow. Very familiar move coming from Mase on the side of the NCF. Buffaloes need to stop NCF at this moment because ayaw nang patawirin dito ang bola on their side, and an early timeout was called on the side of their team. 7-2, a 5-point lead on the side of the NCF. So let's see after this timeout, what are the adjustment on the side of the Buffaloes here, knowing na medyo umiinit na dito ang NCF Tigers. 9-2 rather ang ating score. Thank you so much to all our live viewers. Don't forget to follow, like, and share all of the contents on the Oragon Sports TV and Oragon Basketball League for more basketball updates. Back to the ball game. Gamban fires for 3, no good. Magawa ng bola, and it goes on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes. Traveling violation was called on their side. of NCF basketball. Vinluan to Mase with 10 seconds to shoot. Pelias attempt for 3 and it's good. First 3-pointer of the match. What would be the answer on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes with this back-to-back point conversion on their opponent? Double substitution para dito sa CBSUA Buffaloes. Shot clock down to 10. Mase goes inside, passing it to Vinluan. What an eye coming from Mase, finding Vinluan on that open space and getting a point conversion on that layup. Now Balbuena and the rest of the Buffaloes here needs to step up big time. Balbuena to his teammate on that corner for 3, unsuccessful. Now Mase again with the ball. Goes inside again, and great steal coming from the Buffaloes. Back-to-back steal for both teams. Mase, hindi pumasok yung attempt, but 2 shots on him. Now Mase stepping on that free throw shot. Unsuccessful on that second one. And now, Buffaloes with the ball here. Look at that defense, Kyla, on the side of Tigers.
Yes.
But this time, CBSUA, a much needed point. Yun yung kailangan ditong trabahuhin ng CBSUA. Kailangan nilang masabayan dito yung ipinapakitang galaw sa loob ng court. The ball transition na ipinapakita dito sa side ng NCF Tigers. And now, CBSUA Buffaloes aiming again for another point here. Same ball possession, Parafina to Villaflor. Great block coming from Vinluan. Cutting down the shot clock into just 5 seconds. Change of 5 here on the side of the NCF. Traveling violation was called to Parafina. Balane with the ball, passing it to Nawada. Lavandero taking his time here, passing it to Diamante. What a great steal coming from the CBSUA side, but a whistle. Same ball possession. And that's good. Para dito kay Parafina, another 2 points was added on their side, and now Balano with the ball. Passing it to Diamante. 14 to shoot, goes inside, no hesitation, and that's good.
Malayo-layo na rin ang kalamangan dito nitong Tigers. 11 points ang Kalamangan. Pag nagtuloy-tuloy pa itong Kalamangan, itong Tigers, medyo mahirapan dito ang CBS-UA. So they need to double their effort.
Yes. Knowing na undefeated ang kanilang nakaharap ngayon. So this is a great challenge on their side. And that's good for the Buffaloes. And that's Balbuena. Balane with the ball. Passing it to Nawada. Van Der this time ang may hawak ng bola. 10 to shoot and wow. Sayang yon. Libreng-libre sana para dito kay Nawada but hindi pumasok yung kanyang layup attempt. So Buffaloes.
Yes.
Naagawan dito ng bola ni Diamante. Foul was called to Balbuena on that last sequence. Porteria checks in on the side of the Buffaloes here. Diamante, clean shot on that first attempt. One more time for him. And that's good. Great steal coming from Balane. Passing it to Nawada and to the big man, Arenzana. Wide open on that layup. NCF again with the ball here. Passing it to the wrong person. Great steal coming from Balbuena. Tatawid dito ang bola. No good. Back to NCF. No good on the attempt. Offensive rebound coming from Villaflor. Gamban to Balbuena. 12 to shoot. They need the point conversion at this moment. But turnover on their side. What a defense on the side of NCF. Arenzana guarded here by Porteria. That's good for Arenzana. Two out of two. Buffaloes now with the ball. They're taking their time here. No good for the three-pointer attempt. Same ball possession. Mohar with that foul on Nawada. And nasa penalty side na po or penalty situation na ang side ng CBS-UA Buffaloes. They need to be extra careful inside the court kasi magkakaroon dito ng chance ang NCF to get the ball possession and to get a free throw opportunity. That's good for Nawada. A minute and 10 seconds remaining for this first quarter. And Balane with that steal and with that layup.
Wow.
That's good.
19 points. Ang Kalamangan.
Look at that, Kyla.
Grabe.
The steal. Talagang ayaw na ditong patawarin ng NCF yung bola on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes. CBSUA Buffaloes needs to find an answer.
That's the answer. Good layup. Good conversion para sa kanilang kupunan. 28 seconds. Balane. Ten seconds to shoot. Goes inside. Missed opportunity. Of course, foul was called. Mabibigyan siya dito ng free throw opportunity. Good shot. 18 seconds for our first quarter. What a good one. 2 out of 2 for Nawada. Every chance is important dito sa CBSUA Buffaloes, lalo na't naghahabol sila ng score. We can see na 21 points na po ang kalamangan nitong NCF Tigers. Now Labandero. 11 seconds. Balane. And a steal. And that's the end of our first quarter. Magbabalik po kami for our second quarter only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here sa loob ng NCF covered court for our second quarter matchup between the NCF Tigers versus the CBSUA Buffaloes. 31-10 is our score. Change of 5 here on the side of the NCF. Jimo on the court at this moment. No good for that 3-point attempt. Now Borromeo with the ball here. And turnover on their side. First appearance of John Benedict Borromeo para dito sa NCF Tigers on this league. Foul was called to Rialo. Same basketball here. An attempt for three, and that's good. More of that on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes. For them to be able to lessen the gap na hawak dito ng NCF. Vinculado. Tatawagan dito ng foul on that last sequence. So, another chance and opportunity on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes here. Villaflor to Parafina. Lose that one. Agawan ng bola, and Borromeo secures that on their side. Vinculado this time is blocked. Wow. What a great defense this time on the side of the Buffaloes. Fadeaway shot. No good. Back to NCF. Gimo. Ang hawak ng bola. On the second quarter, ano ang gagawin na adjustment on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes to lessen the gap na hawak ng kanilang opponent? To know more about their team, let's call our courtside reporter, Clark. Kumusta? Anong balita dyan?
Thank you so much, Rick and Kyla. Makikita nga natin na medyo nangangapa pa nga ang CBSUA Buffaloes sa kanilang laro. Pero hindi sila magpapaulit to bounce back and get a win. Sabi nga kanina ni Coach Jay, sa bawat pasa, rebound at tira ay dapat sinisigurado nila. One pass, one catch, and one dribble upang makuha nila ang momentum of the game. At kailangan nga ng CBSUA na mag-step up upang mahigitan nila ang init na ipinapakita ng NCF Tigers. Lalo na't mas magiging challenging nga ang kanilang katapat. Kaya naman, sabay-sabay nating tutukan kung ano ba ang gagawing adjustments ng CBSUA Buffaloes. At natapos nga dito ang ating quarter, yan muna ang aking update. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Kyla.
Thank you so much, Clark, for that update on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes. Kailangan nga nila ditong higitan ang pinapakita ng Tigers, knowing na grabe yung pagiging aggressive dito ng NCF Tigers. They need to double their effort dahil nasa 22 na ang kanilang kalamangan.
And what a nice layup coming from Villaflor on the side of the Buffaloes here to add 2 points on their side. Now Realo with the ball. Passing it to Borromeo. Tries to go inside. No good on that attempt. Buffaloes now with that long pass. They need to slow down. Offensive rebound here. And another 3-pointer coming from the Buffalo side. That's Del Castillo. 2 3 points on his side. Now, to hear an update sa kabilang dako naman, let's call our courtside reporter, Dylan.
Thank you, Rick and Kyla. As the matchup begins, the Tiger Spirit are roaring from the bench and inside the hard court. Focus ang Tigers sa kanilang game plan at mas pinapalakas ang kanilang opensa. Makikita na ang King Lixi na meron ng Tigers na nagbibigay advantage on their side. Every ball possession, sinisigurado ng Tigers na magbibigay ito ng magandang puntos para sa kanilang kupunan. Advice si coach na mas magbigay pa ng puwersa at magbigay pressure sa opponent. The opponent kept on committing fouls na nagre-resulta ng karagdagang puntos sa Tigers. Hawak ng NCF Tigers ang kalamangan at siguradong hindi hahayaan ng Tigers na makahabol ang opponent. Yan muna ang update dito on the side of the NCF Tigers.
Maraming salamat, Dylan, for that update on the side of the NCF Tigers. Talagang hindi nila hahayaan na makuha ang momentum na nasa kanila ngayon 22 points ang Kalamangan. Wow, what a dunk from Jimo. Grabe. Nagpakita ka agad ng magandang dunk itong si Jimo dito sa CBSCA Buffaloes.
With his height advantage, talagang NCF needs to maximize Jimo whenever he's present inside the court. And now, 42-18, double-digit lead on their side. Sabi nga dito ni Dylan, kailangan pa ditong pag-igihan ng NCF. They need to double their effort for them to be able to widen the gap at hindi na nga mahabol dito yung CBSUA Buffaloes. Offensive rebound on the side of the NCF. Jimo guarded by the 3 Buffaloes here. Passing it to Guades with 5 seconds to shoot. No good on that. But same ball possession. Jimo. No good. Vinculado. Hindi din pumasok yung kanyang layup attempt, but a free throw shots on his side.
Vinculado, former player of the Shepherd Beal College, Rams. Talagang maganda din itong lumaro si Vinculado. Girandat. 5 minutes and 58 seconds. Now, bola ng Buffaloes. Long 3. No good. Another chance for the Tigers.
Muntik pang maagawan dito, but Rialo gets that ball. Jimo to Vinculado. No good. Sayang yon on the side of the NCF Tigers. Same ball possession. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Great steal coming from the Buffalo side. Del Castillo. No good. Offensive rebound coming from Villaflor. One-hand layup is unsuccessful. And the ball goes on the side of the NCF.
Malayo-layo na po ang Kalamangan dito ng Tigers. They need to double or not double, triple their effort here. Kung gusto nilang makakuha ng unang panalo for this season. Guades taking his time. Passes to Rialo. And still from the Buffaloes. Muhar to Villaflor and nakuha pa rin yun ni Guades. Rialo. Borromeo goes inside, nabitawan. Well, possession pa rin ng Tigers. Another chance. Rialo, no good. Sunod-sunod offensive rebound for the Tigers. But still, dito sa Buffaloes, chance na nila itong makapuntos. Wow. Good shot from the Buffaloes. 4 minutes and 18 seconds. 24 points ang Kalamangan dito ng Tigers. Tama nga naman si coach ng Buffaloes, paunti-unti. Basta't pagtrabahuhan. Ng substitution. Arenzana and Pelias is in for the Tigers. That was foul. Balbuena will be given here a free throw opportunity.
Jimo with that rebound. NCF on the offense. Nawada with the ball. Fires for three. No good. Offensive rebound coming from Arenzana, and foul was called on the side of the Buffaloes.
Bola na ng Buffaloes. Villaflor. 3-pointers, no good.
Maser. Dire-diretso with that fast break play. That's good for Maser.
Nawada. Mase, and whistle was called here. Another foul. Mabibigyan ulit dito si Mase ng free throw opportunity that can add a point to their team. Hertes will go inside for the CBSA Buffaloes. Good shot from Mase. 3 minutes and 7 seconds in our second quarter. We need to be extra careful here dahil nasa penalty situation na itong CBSA Buffaloes. Mase to Nawada. Looking for a big man here. Andyan si Arenzana. No Labandero. Goes inside. Spin move. That's good. Plus a foul. Good shot from Lavandero. Wow, good communication from the CBSA Buffaloes. Another 2 points for them. 25-52. Long 3 for Pelias. Rebounded here by Lavandero. Nawada. Jumper.
Hertes with the ball. An attempt for fast break, but andoon si Lavandero to block that one. Same ball possession. Back to NCF basketball. And a second chance point coming from Pelias.
Fast break, Mase, layup. That's good.
Great steal from the NCF side. Back-to-back steal, Villaflor this time. Out of bounds. Ball possession ng NCF. Pelias to Lavandero. Ganda sana yung intention ni Mase for passing it to Arenzana, but is not prepared. But this time, a foul was called again on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes. And now Arenzana will be having 2 shots here, unsuccessful on that first shot.
One out of 2 for Arenzana. $53 seconds. Bitawan, sayang yung opportunity na yon for the CBSUA. $36 seconds. Parfina to Gamban. Wow. Good connection. Mase fast break layup. That's good for Mase. Very consistent since the first quarter. Sabi nga niya ni Rick, a very familiar move from Mase. Another one for him. Wow.
A lot of fast break plays coming from Franco Mase. And the steal, aiming for a 3-point on that last sequence itong Sinowada, but that's the end of our first half. 63-27 is our score. Don't go away because magbabalik tayo para sa ating second half only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Campeón Oragon.
digital age is here. They warn us of a cold, efficient world where the human touch is lost to automation, but we refuse to accept that choice. At Naga College Foundation, we believe the best future is one led by heart. We equip you with the skills you need to thrive. From our dynamic programs in finance and business, to the hands-on fields of IT and engineering, through our vital health sciences, our justice programs in criminology, and the crucial roles of education in the arts, we cover the entire spectrum of tomorrow's workforce. Here, you don't just become future ready, you become a worker with empathy, a leader who understands that technology must serve humanity. Choose the college that prepares you not just for the job, but for the world. The future is here at NCF. Enroll at Naga College Foundation. Let us build a brighter, kinder tomorrow.
Naga College Foundation has built futures through learning. Today, we carry that same purpose into a new frontier, where learning goes beyond the boundaries of the classroom, with technology helping students bridge between potential and opportunity. With the digital age challenging us to rethink what learning means, how can we strengthen our communities and shape generations of leaders who will carry the spirit of service and excellence beyond our campus? Digital transformation is not just about adapting technology for the sake of it. It's about widening the path to opportunity. Every learner can access the same quality of education with the same confidence to thrive in a fast-changing world. With the support of digital platforms and our partnership with Samsung, every teacher and student is now equipped with a Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. The single step has transformed access to learning, allowing classes to continue wherever our learners are, regardless of circumstance or environment. Our educators are no longer limited to traditional teaching method. They have been trained to use app and online platforms to create interactive
Back to the ball game. We are now in our second half, third quarter. 27-69. Malaki po ang kalamangan dito ng Tigers. Two shots for the CBS-UA Buffaloes. Parafina on the free throw line.
Balani with the ball. Down to 10. Real on that corner for 3. Offensive rebound coming from Vinluan. Now Vinluan with his 2 shots after that foul committed on the side of the Buffaloes.
Great steal from the Buffaloes. Chance point, that's good. For jersey number 10, Parafina. Now Balane. Taking his time here. On the inside, passes to Vinluan. Jumper, no good. Another offensive rebound. But still, good start para sa Buffaloes.
They need to build momentum para dito sa ating second half para maibaba na dito yung kalamang hawak ng NCF. Now Balido with the ball. Balana to Vinluan. And the foul was called to Balbuena. So Balana will be having 3 shots on that free throw line.
Now, there's an update on the side of the NCF Tigers. Let's call our courtside reporter, Dylan. Dylan, take it away.
Thank you, Rick and Kyla. Sa pagpasok ng second quarter, ramdam ang enjoyment na pinapakita ng Tigers sa loob ng court. Ramdam rin ang confidence at team strategy na ipinapamalas ng players. The team's connection are on the high level na nagbibigay pressure on the side of the opponent. Reminder ni Coach Brian na sipag at focus ang kailangan ng team para patuloy na madumina ang laban. Weakness ng kalaban ang mga fouls na patuloy nagbibigay opportunity sa Tigers. Mas mag-iingay pa ang Tigers as the matchup continues. Kaya tutok lang dito sa Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga kampiyon. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Kyla.
Thank you so much, Dylan, for that update on the side of the NCF Tigers. Now, bola ng CBSA Buffaloes.
Now the NCF need to stay consistent if they want to win this one. 8 seconds violation was called on the side of the NCF Tigers. Turnover on the side of Buffaloes. NCF basketball. Long pass. Rialo. To Vinluan, and 2 shots again, and another foul is called on the side of the Buffaloes. They need to lessen their fouls and turnovers here. Nakakakuha naman sila dito ng puntos, but they need to lessen their turnover and fouls. Now to hear an update on the side of the CBSA Buffaloes, let's call our courtside reporter Clark. Anong balita dyan?
Yan ang sabi kanina ni Coach Jay. Dahil magsisilbi daw itong pagkakataon to learn and improve. Makikita nga natin na despite of the great performance ng NCF Tigers, talagang pinapakita ng CBSUA Buffaloes na hindi sila basta-basta matitibag. Mapapansin rin nga natin na mas sa bawat play nila ay lumalakas ang kanilang eagerness at hunger to win and learn. Lalong-lalo na at puno ang CBSUA Buffaloes ng young players, kaya't mahalaga ang laro na ito para sa kanila to reflect and gain more experience on the court. At natapos nga ang ating first half sa score na 27-63 in favor of NCF Tigers. At yan muna ang aking update on the sidelines of the CBSUA Buffaloes. Yan muna ang aking update. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Kyla.
Thank you so much, Clark, for that update on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes. Aside from determination, sabi nga nitong si Clark, learning the best experience. Yun ang pinanta dito ng CBSUA Buffaloes. At sabi nga din ng coach nila, itong mga laban nila dito sa Naga City talagang napaka-laking tulong sa mga future na laban pa nila kagaya ng SQUA. So, this is the best experience na kanilang napuntahan for this league. Kaya tingnan din natin kung makabawi pa sila for this last 2 quarters of this game.
That last 10 seconds.
CBSUA again with the ball. But a traveling violation, crucial violation again on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes.
Now Balane. Venluan, long 3, no good. Rebounded by Mohar. Passes to Parafina. Spin move. Wow, that's good for Parafina. Balane heavily guarded here. 35 to 68, 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Another foul for the CBSA Buffaloes. Venluan will be given here another free throw opportunity.
Balane for 3, and that's good. Ball stays on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes. 5 minutes and 19 seconds remaining for this third quarter. Parafina with the ball. Tries to go for that shot, but unsuccessful. Long pass to Rialo. Back to Balane here. Balidoy fires for 3. No good. Offensive rebound, but great steal coming from the Buffalo side. Villaflor to Hertes. Taking their time here. Tries for 3. No good. And this time, it's Parafina with that layup.
Good jumper from Balidoy. Wow, good layup. 39 to 74. Dire-diretso si Jamante. Good layup from him. Na para bang walang bantay doon. Laki ng puso ng batang to. Talagang sugod kung sugod.
Great exchange of points here on the side of this team. On these two teams rather. Ito yung hinihintay ng fans dito, yung palitan ng puntos from the Buffaloes and the Tiger side.
Realo for the Tigers. Communicating with Borromeo. Now Adan. Ganda ng depensa ng Buffaloes.
Look at that. Wow. Buzzer beater shot on the side of the NCF. And now, crucial turnover again on the side of the Buffaloes. They need to avoid that again and again because they are behind here. Sila yung naghahabol dito. Borromeo to Adan. Passing it to Balidoy. Traveling violation was called on their side. And now, chance for the Buffaloes to score here. Villaflor. Passing it to Hertes. Guarded here by Balidoy. Two minutes and 59 seconds remaining. 78-41. Still, the NCF is leading by a couple of points here.
That's a traveling violation.
That's very unfortunate on the side of Buffaloes.
Yes.
Because pwede na sanang makakuha ng puntos on that last sequence. They cannot afford to have a lot of turnovers here and a lot of violations. Stepping on the line. So both teams on point ngayon ng kanilang depensa. Pinapahirapang makakuha ng magandang offense dito ang bawat isa. Del Castillo for 3, no good, or rather Gamban.
Balidoy. Nabitawan.
Look at that defense, Kyla.
Mabawi itong Buffalo sa kanilang depensa. Nauriala securing that ball. Communicating with his teammate and whistle was called here. That was a foul for jersey number 22. No good on that jumper. Sayang ng mga missed opportunity nitong Buffaloes. Rebounded here by Balidoy. Guades. Wow, good pass to Bencolado.
Last 1 minute of this third quarter. An attempt, no good. Back to NCF basketball. Balidoy goes inside, pero hindi makakakuha ng puntos dito. Guades ngayon to Bencolado. Unsuccessful, and a foul was called on the side of the Buffaloes.
Good shot from Guades. Another one para makadagdag ng punto sa kanilang koponan. 40 points ang kanilang kalamangan dito. 2 out of 2 for Guades. 20 seconds. Wow, good pass, good connection.
And great layup coming from Villaflor. Last 10 seconds of the match, or rather this quarter. Borromeo to Guades, but loses that. That's the end of our third quarter. Magbabalik po kami para sa ating huling quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we are back here sa loob ng NCF covered court for our final quarter of this match. Final stretch for both teams. Dito natin malalaman kung kanino mapupunta ang panalong ito. 82-43 is our score. Mabahaba pa ang kailangang trabahuin on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes for them to be able to turn the table around on their side. Nawada. At maago nga ito ng CBSUA Buffaloes. And that's good for Muhar. A much needed point on their side. No good on the 3-point attempt. But a foul was called on the side of Buffaloes. Timeout was called on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes. An early timeout for this quarter. And to hear an update on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes, tawagin natin ulit ang ating courtside reporter na si Clark.
Thank you so much, Rick and Carla. Hindi nga matatawaran ang pinapakintang magandang effort at performance ng CBSUA Buffaloes. Dahil kahit magandang performance ang ipinapakita ng NCF Tigers, hindi pa rin sila pinanghihinaan na humasel at gumawa ng magandang play. Dagdag pa kanina ni Coach Jay, mag-focus kayo sa depensa and set more screens to lessen the heat of the opposing team. At patuloy lang din ito na it's not all about winning but to learn and gain more experience. Kaya sa mga young ballers natin dyan, never stop dreaming and keep on grinding. At andito na nga tayo sa ating last and final quarter. Kaya naman tutok lang kayo dito sa ating Oragon Sports TV, Liga namang Kampiyon. Yan na muna ang aking update. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Kyla.
Thank you so much, Clark, for that update on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes. Sabi niya nga dyan, it's not about the winning, but it's all about learning. Napakaganda ng update nitong si Clark. Talagang after this game, alam natin, Rick, na marami ang natutunan nitong CBSUA Buffaloes dito sa mga veterans player na din ng NCF Tigers. 8 minutes and 32 seconds.
Great point on the side of CBSUA. And this time, it's their ball possession again, their chance to lessen the gap. Now Abay on that free throw opportunity on the side of the Buffaloes. And on to here on the other side of things, what are the game plan para dito sa last quarter nitong NCF Tigers? Tawagin natin si Dylan.
Thank you, Rick and Kyla. Mas naging mainit ang laban sa pagpapatuloy ng matchup dahil pinapantayan ng opponent ang liksi at tactics ng Tigers sa loob ng hardcourt. Kaya bawat ball possession, mas nagbigay pwersa ang Tigers. Each team member ay may presence of mind at consistency na nagbibigay ng magandang performance na ipinapamalas ng Tigers sa matchup. Simula first quarter at dito sa pagpasok ng fourth quarter, napanatili ng Tigers ang malaking kalamangan against the opponent. Mindset ng team na ibigay ang kanilang 100% bawat laro at ipakita ang dugong tigre sa bawat laban. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Kyla.
Thank you so much, Dylan, for that update on the side of the NCF Tigers. Now, another steal from Nawada. Mas lumolobo na ang kanilang puntos dito. Good layup coming from him. 47 to 88. Napakalaking kalamangan na dito ang na-convert ng Tigers. What a game for this afternoon.
7 minutes and 17 seconds remaining for this match. NCF Lavandero. Great steal coming from Parafina on the side of the Buffaloes. Guarded by the 3 Tigers here. Forcing that one to go outside. So turnover again on the Buffaloes. Arenzana, no good on that attempt. Now, CBSUA. Hertes on that corner for 3, and it's good. Wow. Slowly but surely, the CBSUA Buffalo is getting points after points. What a great steal coming from Nuwada, passing it to Lavandero and gets that ball in. So it's Balane who steals that one. Lavandero will be having 2 shots here. What a move again coming from Mase. And a timeout was called on the side of the Buffaloes. 95-50 is our score. Again, thank you so much po to all our live audience sa loob ng NCF Covered Court and also on our live viewers sa ating Facebook page na Oragon Sports TV and Oragon Basketball League. Thank you so much sa inyong suporta. Back to the ball game. Sayang yon para dito kay Mohar, in and out ball. Na Umase ang may hawak ng bola. Great steal, pero andoon si Arenzana. Traveling violation was called on their side.
5 minutes and 36 seconds, 50-95, 45 ang kalamangan dito ng Tigers sa malaki-laki na Rick. Grabe. Talagang on fire sila for this game.
Del Castillo checks in for the Buffaloes here. Now, a review was given on the side of the Buffaloes coach challenge. Let's wait and let's see after reviewing things here kung kanino mapupunta ang ating ball possession. 5 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. 95-50. Head coach challenge was unsuccessful, so ball remain on the side of the NCF as Balane will inbound this one. Lavandero to Mase. 10 seconds to shoot. Now Villaflor, muntik pang maagawan dito. No good on the 3-point attempt. Base this time, may hawak ng bola. Arenzana taking his time here. Balane with a jumper, no good. Same ball possession. Mase tries to go inside. Passing it to Nuwada. 5 to shoot. Fadeaway shot. Not good. So another foul was whistled. Or rather out of bounds. So the ball will go on the side of the CBSUA. But Lavandero hindi nakakuha ng puntos on that layup. Masato Jimo. 5 seconds to shoot and Mase will score. Great steal on the side of the Tigers. And look at that. Another highlight-worthy play on the side of the NCF, and a timeout was called on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes.
Yan na yung kanyang pangalawang dunk dito sa game na ito against sa CBSUA Buffaloes. But now, Rick, pasalamatan muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. WBN Sofia, Gold Chance BTS, DLP Printing Services, CBD Plaza Hotel, Lutos Blue Hotel, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Digital Graphics, Laypat Cafe, Flipzone Naga, Raffian's Tavern, Bisacol Outdoor Shop, 8 Ads. This league is also brought to you by the Zantes Hotel, Papatantan Portal, Lemon Residences, Summit Private Resort and Sports Hub, Win Radio 107.9 Naga, Camsur Eye Center, NCF College of Arts and Sciences, NCF College of Criminal Justice Education, Safe Gas Station, Motomo TV, Del Gold Philippines, City Hoops Trophies and Medals, Glass House Beach Resort, Maswerte Foods, Chicken Run, Tromed Medical Distributor. Maraming salamat po. Now, good layup coming from jersey number 14, Mohar. Isa siya sa great contributors dito sa ating CBSUA Buffaloes. Natapik. 52 to 101. 2 minutes and 18 seconds. They need to be extra careful here. Malapit na naman sila sa penalty situation. Wow, good shot from Pelias. Pelias long three, that's good. Sunod-sunod ang contribution nitong si Pelias sa Tigers. Even they know na lamang sila, they have the momentum. Hindi pa rin sila nagpapakampante. They are not complacent here. Naalala ko nung courtside reporter ako, sabi niya ni Coach Brian, no room for complacency dito sa NCF Tigers. Talagang kahit alam nilang lamang sila ng napakalaking puntos, they're still eager. Kitang-kita mo yung fire sa kanila na mas makalamang for this game. Now, CBSA Buffaloes. Nagarandat. Rebounded by Gimo. Dire-diretso. Wow! Another dunk from Gimo. Grabe itong si Gimo. Sunod-sunod. Pelias. Offensive rebound. That's a foul. John Benedict Borromeo will be given here a free throw opportunity. Ayan, thank you so much po sa lahat ng nanood dito sa ating second game. And of course, thank you din sa lahat ng nag-serve dito sa OBL Season 2. Our courtside reporters, commentators, the statisticians, lodges, our commissioners, the Oragon Sports TV, maraming salamat po sa serbisyo. 59 seconds. Pelias, Gimo, ubos na lamang dito ang oras. Foul was called dito sa Buffaloes. Good shot from Gimo. .48 seconds. Hertes. Still. Back-to-back still. Borromeo.
Basket count with a foul. 108-52 is our score. Coronel with the ball. Almost loses that ball. Passing it to Hertes. And a second chance point coming from Coronel. And now, another one for Gimo. Last 10 seconds of the match. We are just waiting on the final buzzer of this match. Congratulations to NCF Tigers still undefeated in this league with a 4-0 record. And also congratulations on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes for giving us a good fight. Marami pang matches ang pwedeng bawian nitong CBSUA Buffaloes. And don't go away because when we come back, makikilala natin ang ating best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The digital age is here. They warn us of a cold, efficient world where the human...
Our best player of the game is brought to us by Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Matapos ang exciting na matchup, makikilala na natin ang best player of the game from the winning team NCF Tigers with the stats of 1 assist, 6 steal, and 21 points. We have jersey number 20, Mase. So Mase, first of all, congratulations. Gusto lang namin malaman, ano ba yung tumatakbo sa isip mo or motivation mo para mas maging consistent sa loob ng hardcourt?
Motivation namin ngayon yung mga nangyayari sa amin last week and yeah, pinagbubutihan namin sa training. At hindi namin ina-underestimate yung kalaban namin kahit ganun. Stay focus pa rin kami sa depensa and yun, kasama na din sa paghahanda namin yung game namin ngayon para sa round 2.
Okay, so lastly, message sa lahat ng supporters ng NCF Tigers and also to your loved ones.
Maraming salamat po sa NCF community na patuloy na nagsusuporta sa amin. And of course, sa family ko po sa Daet, kay mama na nasa Qatar, and syempre sa family ko din po sa Libmanan, kay Brayden, kay CJ po. Maraming salamat po. Love you all.
Thank you and once again, congratulations. With their consistency and team chemistry, the NCF Tigers remained undefeated, proving that hard work pays off. Once again, I am Dylan Talagtag, your courtside correspondent, stationed only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
there you have it. So congratulations on the side of the NCF Tigers for still being undefeated dito sa ating liga, and nakilala natin ang ating best player of the game, Franco Base, contributing well since day one para din sa kanilang kupunan. What a game! And also to CBSUA Buffaloes for giving us a good fight. Sabi nga ng kanilang head coach, it's not just about winning, it's about learning. So a lot of learnings pa ang pwedeng mag-gain ng lahat ng players. Kaya tutok lamang sa ating ligang ito, your commentator, Rick Puerta.
And I am Kyla Casulia. This is Oragon Basketball League Season 2 only here in Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.